In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a lost or stolen iPhone. Whether it's misplaced or potentially in the hands of someone else, following these steps can help you regain control of your device. To start, grab another device. This could be a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and open a web browser. In the address bar, type in iCloud.com to find. This site is a key tool for locating your missing iPhone. Once you're on the page, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. This is the same ID you use for all your Apple services. It's crucial to remember your login credentials as they give you access to the Find My iPhone feature. If you have two-factor authentication set up, be ready to verify your identity. After successfully logging in, you'll see an option labeled All Devices at the top of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear listing all the devices associated with your Apple ID. Here, you'll want to select your lost iPhone from the list. This action will immediately allow you to interact with the device remotely. Now, with your lost iPhone selected, it's time to tap Mark as Lost. Activating this feature locks your device so that no unauthorized user can access your personal information. Additionally, you have the option to display a custom message on the phone's lock screen. This message can include a contact number where you can be reached, adding an extra layer of security and possibly leading to its return if found by a good Samaritan. Once you've marked your device as lost, you have a couple of options to choose from depending on the situation. The first is Play Sound. This feature is useful if you believe your iPhone is still nearby. Select it, and your phone will emit a loud tone, helping you locate it quickly, whether it's stuck between the couch cushions or hidden under a pile of clothes. Alternatively, if you suspect your phone has been stolen or is in an unknown location, you might consider using Erase iPhone. Before proceeding, keep in mind that this action will delete all data from your device remotely. It's a drastic measure but essential if you want to ensure that your personal information doesn't fall into the wrong hands. These steps provide a comprehensive approach to locating and securing your missing iPhone, offering peace of mind in an otherwise stressful situation. Remember, acting quickly can make a significant difference in the outcome. Now you know how to handle this situation efficiently, helping you keep your data safe and possibly recover your device.